Hi guys, this is Sachi. You're watching Mud Jar. Today I'm back with one more unboxing. So this time again I'm doing the unboxing of some plants I've ordered online. So there's a small surprise. I just forgot this is from which brand or which person I've ordered and I'm not able to figure out reading the label here. So let's just figure out while unboxing from where this plant has been ordered and which plant is there, because I've also forgotten which plant is there. So let's just start the unboxing. Oh, okay, this plant, okay, now I remember, this is from Soiled, Soiled. So Soiled, I just randomly found through, I think, some YouTuber, or I don't know, I was just doing a Google search for some plants, and in soil.com there are so many amazing plants which you rarely find in other websites. I'm not saying the websites are bad, but I don't know, I just randomly found this and I ordered few plants, and they are just amazing. I'm going to just show you all that. So very funny thing is, I don't know, for some reason this website has not sent me any emails or anything that tracked your order or something like that. So I was not able to track it and I was not aware this is that order, and it has been really packed nice. So this box contains like at least 4 to 5 plants, and this seems pretty intact. So there's this rubber, or okay, so this is like a wardrobe kind of thing for the plants. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, ta-da! Okay, I'm going to show you one by one all the plants. Okay, so about the packaging, I'll just show you right here. It has been really packed nice. This is the entire bundle I've ordered. So many of them are there. I think the first one is this. This is Alocasia Bambino. So I'm keeping the screenshots from the web. I have 3 Alocasias here. Now this one, this is Alocasia Sanderiana. Okay, so both of these Alocasia 3-4 leaves have like almost died. Others are in quite a good condition. So I'm looking forward that they will be doing good. And I have my third Alocasia. This is Alocasia Black. So only I feel 2-3 leaves for this are in good condition. Rest like 2-3 are almost gone. But it's okay. Alocasias are a bit fragile in summers. So maybe because of that. Now the other plant is Homolamina. This is Homolamina rubescens Maggie, what the website says. So I was really looking for Homolaminas after I watched this leafing around channel. She's from Philippines or Malaysia, I guess, some Asian country. So after watching her channel, I was looking for Homolaminas. I was not finding it, but I found it here, so I had to order it. Now this other one, this is, I think this is Peperomia. What the name? This is Peperomia tetragona. So this is my Peperomia tetragona. You can see this is quite in a very good condition. Only 1 or 2 leaves here and there have been broken. Rest the plant looks good. So it's a vining plant. And other one is Staghorn Fern, which I had ordered from the website last time. So this is my favorite, and yeah, I had ordered this because I wasn't sure that my last order will also come in good condition. So I'm really in love with Staghorn Ferns, and I'm really sad about this one plant which I was really looking forward to. Pileia peperomioides. It came, and this came along with that. So many leaves broken. I really want to keep this alive. I hope I'll be able to, because this is the second time I'm ordering this, and this came in such condition. I'm still hoping good for it, because few leaves seems good. Maybe I'll give it some good light and air and water, it will be good. So overall my experience was good. Plants I ordered are, I'm not telling you exact prices, you can just go and check on soiled.com, their website. I'll link it down below. It is SOILED. So basically they are little expensive, because some of these are not easily available. I won't say rare, but they are not easily available. So yeah, that is why I feel they are expensive. But you can definitely check out if you like to collect plants and if you want to have some new plants. So that was it from Soil, and this was my unboxing. I hope you really liked it. If you like such videos about plants, please subscribe to my channel Mud Jar. Hit that red subscribe button below, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, so that you'll always be notified whenever I post a new video. Also hit like, so that I'll make more videos like this, and share it with your plant friends. I'll see you in the next video with more plants. Bye.